Hello viewers, welcome to Top 5 Check. With our review, we will assure you that you're getting the best product available on the market. Please do check the product link in the description given below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this every day. So without any further delay, let's get started. Best pool and table tennis table 2-in-1. The biggest headache for home game lovers is how to set up multiple game and table in one room and still have space to maneuver. A multi-game table, in our case a pool table ping pong combo, is the perfect option in that case. Check out our top list of pool and table tennis table, then watch for more helpful buying tips and full reviews. So let's start by number 1. Triumph Sport Phoenix 7. The Triumph Phoenix Billiard Table with conversional top gives you the choice to play 2 games on one full-size table. The table tennis conversion top comes equipped with EVA pads for the underside of the table tennis table, which protect the top rail of the billiard table. The set includes all accessories including for both games. The billiard accessories sets includes 2 to 57 billiard cues, the set of 2.25 inches billiard balls, triangle, brush and chalks. The table tennis accessories set includes 2 paddle, 2 table tennis balls and a net post set. Number 2. Triumph 3-in-1 Swivel Multi-Game Table. Rotate between 3 great games on one table in seconds. The Triumph 3-in-1 Swivel Multi-Game Table allows you to play 3 different games on one table using the rotating swivel design. The construction giving you the full-size table that the whole family will enjoy. The table plays air-powered hockey, billiards and table tennis. The table comes ready to play with all of the accessories to play all the 3 games included. The fun never stops with 3 changing games in one quality Triumph table. Number 3. Carmeli NG1023. The 7-feet pool table delivers the quality billiard with the extra bonus of table tennis, all at the great price. If you love to play pool, this table tennis quality features a compact 7-foot playing surface fits in many games, in many game rooms where the large table won't. Double the fun with the included table tennis tabletop, including all the accessories you need to play pool and table tennis. Add this versatile Carmeli game table to your rec room for hours of gaming fun. Number 4. Fat Cat Pocky 7-feet black 3-in-1. Conveniently get 3 of the most popular game room game in one table with original Fat Cat Pocky 7-feet black 3-in-1 air hockey, billiards and table tennis table. Shoot some pool with some friends or easy flip the table for a fast-paced game of air hockey. Add in the portable table tennis top and you've got 3 classic games in one table. This sleek table will fit perfectly in any rec room at an affordable price. Number 5. Hawthorne Maverick Table Tennis and Pool Table. Enjoy classic billiards and exciting table tennis with a beautiful multi-game table from Hawthorne. This 7-foot pool table comes with a sturdy, removable table tennis top, the ideal table for small spaces. The Maverick is perfectly placed in a bachelor pad, apartment or lobby. They combine classic craftsmanship with modern machinery to achieve superior quality construction, fit and finish on the entire collection. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.